I wanted to make a video, to point something out, that, and it really didn't occur to me, but this is so ubiquitous that, I didn't even notice it. But, you look like on the internet, okay, like under HTML or whatnot, almost everything you see on it involves text editors. It's all about text editors. And I'm like, what the fuck? Don't tell me that everybody in the world is creating graphical content with a fucking text editor. That's the impression you get. But part of the reason, was I knew that either everybody out there is friggin' retarded, or there's something so ubiquitous that nobody thinks it's worth mentioning, and that's that pretty much every damn program out there will generate HTML file. I mean, even Word will, I think. But I'd forgotten all about that. I mean, I noticed that like 10 or 15 years ago, but I mean, I didn't know, I mean, I knew there were other applications like from Adobe or whatever that were more specialized for it. So, I mean, I didn't even notice that really most software still contained that ability. But like I said, even a program like, this Apache Open Office here, or LibreOffice, Open Office would be the same. You can create drawings and so forth with it. And so how the hell do you draw text? Is this where it is? Jeez. I don't know if that's text or not. Is this text? What the hell? Huh. I've never really actually used this program before. Okay, well, that's something. But so how do you create actual text? See, insert text box. Okay, that'll work. Okay, so it's just a little test drawing I did. And, so I'm going to go ahead and save it. Okay, but you can export it. Not just as GIF images, but also various HTML variations, and there are probably plugins too for this. Oops. Okay. Go ahead and rename it anyway. You see, you got all these standard or these options here. HTML frame, standard HTML format, single document HTML, automatic, and webcast. I don't know what these do. Show notes. Okay. We'll try that. What the hell? Save images as ping. Call it GIF for JPEG, but okay. Actually, I probably should have filled that out. I did a little on that the last one I created. Okay, apply color scheme from document. Yes. Okay. Um, okay, so let's see. Alright, so screen capture videos. Okay, let's see. This isn't right. Where the hell did it save that thing? Paying attention to it. Anyway, whatever. That's weird. Okay. Two directories. Alright. I wish I could pause this stupid video so I could cut crap like that out efficiently, but I test for video and let's see. I don't think that's might be it. You'd think they'd have something that was a little more explanatory, but okay. So anyway, this is what it generated, and you click start. Okay, I got these frames here. So, and of course, none of this is actual text. It's just a picture. But again, I assume that you can actually get more sophisticated with that and start adding it as separating this out into elements or something like that. But the point is that it generates HTML code, and to prove it, this is pretty much what it generated right here. So, at least for the page we're on anyway. So, but at any rate, lots of programs do that, but that's why nobody even talks about it, because lots of programs do it. I mean, it's like, ubiquitous, but if you're coming from a standpoint of you don't really know anything about web development, it may not occur to you that, look, even text editors can do it. I can pretty much bet you that even, this will probably do it. This, version of Word, this open source version of Word. But I fucking hate this damn thing. Let's see, okay, save this as test for video, one time's fine, and let's see if I can export as PDF, ePublication, I don't know what that's all about. See if this, well, it has an XHTML, I don't know what that is exactly, it was on the other, there's an option on the other one too. Automatic file name extension. Okay. Alright, well, let's see what that did. It probably is not going to be very impressive, but okay. Okay, so here it is, and this is actual text. So Anyway, the point is that yeah, it's pretty ubiquitous. I mean, and it really doesn't surprise me. But yeah, I spent a lot of time trying to pull my hair out looking for freaking HTML editors, but in fact they're already here. Because I mean, I remember when these things first came out back in the mid '90s, and and it was something I kind of lost track of over the years. I just assumed, that there'd be some specialized, like Corel Draw or something like that. But, it was specialized, though, for doing fancier things. And, of course, there are some things like that, like Blue Griffin and so forth. But anyway. So, anyway, it's pretty interesting. I just wanted to point that out.